On this series of international real estate properties, we want to show you what a luxury property looks in Cartagena, Colombia. This property is located in the Oceanfront north of Cartagena, Colombia. It's about 20 minutes drive from the historic center, and you can find a property like this one for about 200,000 US dollars, which in the local currency it's about 700 million Colombian pesos. You can also rent, if you want to long term, a property like this one for about $800 to $900 per month, which is about 3 million Colombian pesos, or you can Airbnb it for about $100 per night. What's up, travelers, and welcome to Cartagena, Colombia. Today we want to show you the apartment that we're on. We were actually lucky enough to have a family member who bought this apartment invite us over. We want to show you around. It's located in Serena Del Mar, which is a new location in Cartagena, about 30 minutes north from the city. The apartment, as you can see, it's pretty new. It's got a brand new kitchen. It's got a cool view back here to the what they call the ciénaga, which is kind of like some mangroves. So it's got a cool little balcony here with a nice view to chill. And the apartment complex is pretty insane. It's got a nice gym. It's got a swimming pool. It's got lots of really cool amenities. Obviously, the coolest thing about this apartment is the apartment complex being located right in front of the beach. So we can just walk down, enjoy the pool, and enjoy the beach. It's got 2 bedrooms. Let me show you. It's a little bit disorganized, but just to show you what it kind of looks like if you're ever interested in buying a property here in Colombia. But again, for about $1,000 per month or about $100 per night, you can get a nice apartment like this in front of the beach in Cartagena. So just wanted to show you where we're staying for the past few days. Luxury developments in Colombia include a lot of really cool amenities. As you can see right behind me, this is one of the pool areas. It actually has 2 different pool areas with jacuzzis, lap pools, and many different wet areas. It also has a really cool gym that you can use 24 hours a day, sauna, and steam room. And obviously the best feature is that it's located right in front of the beach, so you can just walk outside of the apartment and you are on the beach to enjoy it.